My name is Vicky.
I'm Viren.
And I'm Bochen.
And this is Duple. Oftentimes, in culturally rich cities like Athens, Georgia, local artists and local music is hard to access by fans. Information about events, specific venues, and information about small indie artists is transmitted through word of mouth or through small social media accounts and posts. What Duple does is it helps connect fans, artists, and venues to help fans find events. The user-driven functionality of the app ensures a quick registration process.
The app currently primarily supports fans and audiences. Users of Duple are able to explore specific music genres of their taste, and by entering their location in a search bar, can find events and audiences performing in their local area.
Hello, I'm Chase Macmillan, and here's the demo for Duple. So, since I built it using the Flutter framework in the Dart language, the main.dart file is going to be kind of our runner. You can see here it pops me over to the auth page automatically, which basically just checks whether or not I'm logged in. Right now I'm not, so it throws me over to this login page. Let's say I don't have an account. First, for the password, confirm password, it's going to check if it's too short, and then if they match, and then if it works, then it's going to let me through to the app. Main function over here is our discover function. So this basically throws up a list of artists in your radius which you can change over here, and it shows you a list of their name and 2 genres, and you can just kind of scroll through here. I loaded up 500 entries, popping over to the profile page. So I'm just going to log out real quick. Now I'll take you through the code real quick. Up here in the Firestore Dart is where I am kind of making a query to my Firestore database, saying if it's in my latitude longitude range, send the JSON file over to me. And so here is my collection. All the backend is routed through Firebase, including the authentication. As you can see, there's the account we just made. And then over here, this is basically a really dense piece of code that is building the scroll function. Displays the username and 2 genres of the artist, and just refreshes to get more data when we scroll to the bottom or when we change our radius slider.
So you have just seen the demo of Duple, which hopefully has shown you the organization of the features that we have. Now, one important thing we hope you've noticed is the search feature and the artists that are displayed. So currently, since the application is primarily user-driven, the artists on the feed were artists that were filled out by Chase. So when the app is actually created and real users and real artists start registering with latitudes and longitudes, then when you open the app to access and search throughout the app, you will start to see actual artists in your locality and some information about them, their genres, and etc.